What's up, YouTube? Today I'm kind of excited, excuse me. Today me and my husband are going to Mexico. We are going on a cruise, and we are getting ready to leave for the airport. He actually just left to go to the store real quick to grab something for himself, and then I'm gonna call us a Lyft and we're gonna head to the airport, and I'm just gonna take you guys along for this Mexican cruise or Mexico cruise vacation. And I just wanted to share with y'all our little fun vacation. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Damn.
At least they let us check in 3 hours early.
They really did.
Yeah. It's nice.
Yeah.
I want that. See that? I want that. That picture.
Yeah, that's nice.
Like the extra. Man, I thought we were gonna have a good time together.
I did too.
Actually, you know what? It ain't that bad. You see that view? You know we got this building right here, but I'm like, it ain't that bad though. Look, but right over there, you still get some of the downtown area.
Oh, cool.
You don't get all of it. You ain't gonna get like the arenas and stuff.
Oh yeah, we made it finally to New Orleans. We are here at our hotel, right by the port. It's a little loud. I don't know why all these cars wanted to drive by as soon as I turned the camera on. It was literally just quiet. But we're about to go walk in. We are going to go find a place called Raising Cane's. I've never had it before, so we're gonna try that. I'm really not even hungry. I'm more thirsty. He's more thirsty too, but the people that we vacationing with, they haven't ate yet, so we're gonna go there. Plus to see what it's like. Hopefully I can snap some pictures, take some videos.
Later on tonight, we're gonna get some real local food. I want to see what the deal is with the whole New Orleans eatery. I gotta see
some beignets, y'all.
I gotta see what all the hype is. Oh, the beignets gonna be tomorrow. We definitely getting that tomorrow, first thing. And that long ass line and everything. We definitely getting
I know. I'm like dreading the line, but I'm kind of excited for it. But yeah, so we're just waiting on them to come down from the hotel, and then we're going to go on a quest for Raising Cane's. I can't even say.
A quest for knowledge?
A quest for knowledge. I am currently in New Orleans right now. Y'all fell down. Don't judge me, I have y'all in the awkwardest spot. But I'm in New Orleans right now. We are at the hotel. It's currently the day that we are supposed to be going to the port. So we have to check out in a few, like I want to say another hour or so. And I'm doing my face. And I thought I'd hop in just to chat with y'all. But y'all, I just wanted to tell y'all, why did I leave all of my application products at home? I got my makeup, I got eyeshadow, I got primer, setting spray, powder, all of that stuff. Y'all have no brushes, no sponges, no makeup wipes. What am I gonna use? My fingers? We're gonna try and use our fingers. I don't know how that's gonna work or look. I'm up here on the Lido deck. I am currently eating like some salad and some jambalaya with crawfish. I did taste their candy yams. I don't really care for them. They had like a citrus kind of taste to them. Kind of tastes like carrots to me, like how they cooked it. I didn't care for that. Tyrell went to go give me a burger because I didn't care for the jambalaya or the pepper steak. So yeah, I also got me a rum punch. We're just waiting to check into the room, and then I'll show y'all everything that's going on inside the room. I'm totally sorry if y'all can't hear nothing I'm saying. I am currently on what they call the Lido deck, and this place has all the food and clubs and stuff, I believe. So I'll check back in a little later. This is the room. It's a little dark in here. I just wanted to peek in and show y'all what we have. Go hubby. It's nothing special, but it's cool. Here's the balcony again. We have not oh, there we go. We have not left yet. Ooh, I feel like our balcony was bigger last time we was on the boat.
No, I was out here. It was this side.
Maybe because the door was on the other side. But this is what our balcony is looking like. I'll show y'all a little later when we get a better view of the water. There go hubby. Hey hubby. Hey baby. He gonna turn like I'm talking to somebody else. Wave to the people. He said hello. everybody. We are on the port. Getting ready to Cozumel. Hubby is right here. We'll check in later. Where?
There's one in there and then they're gonna run off. That's cool.
Sea turtle.
I want a pet turtle too.
Cool.
See, the last time we came here, it was literally like 3 people, literally all in ass trying to hurry up and get back to the boat.
Later.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another grocery haul for you. This is going to be a small one. I'll show you the total at the end. This was a Walmart delivery. And now I'm just going to jump in it per usual. Starting over here, we got our 2 40-pack of waters. I have the 12-pack of cottonelle tissue, 2 gallons of like juice for the boys, the Hawaiian punch, I believe it is. Then they have like a 30-pack of the Kool-Aid Jammers. I have 2 of the, I want to say this is the 8-pack of buns. We're going to make chili dogs. I got us some bread, some chocolate chip muffins. I do have a sweet potato pie down there. Next week is Thanksgiving. I have a 3-box thing of Velveeta macaroni. It was supposed to be 2, but they said the other one's supposed to be getting delivered tomorrow. A 20-pack of the oatmeal for breakfast. I got some roasted garlic and herb tomato sauce for spaghetti. Some jalapenos for chili. Some canned corn. Some chili beans. I got 3 of the chili beans. I also got some tomato paste. I got the boys some more body wash. I got us some fabric spray. And then like a bigger one for the house. I got 2 things of paper plates. I have 2 more things of ragu. This one's chunky. I always put one of these in my chili just to get the vegetables. Some more soy sauce. I got us a can of yams. We're not going to do like a big Thanksgiving dinner. Just going to do like a small one in my house. I also got 2 cans of chili for the chili dogs for the boys. I got myself some more K-Cups of coffee. This one is Colombian and this one is caramel pecan. Also got some forks and some spoons. A bag of potatoes. I got some more laundry detergent. You know, football season is not over. Still trying to work on my OxyClean as well. I got some lasagna. I wanted to try this out. I've never used it. I don't even like lasagna, but this is going to be like one of those quick meals that I throw in the oven for the boys when I don't feel like cooking. 2 different things of Salisbury steak. Don't know why, but it is. I got some snacks for the boys, some chicken fries, 2 things of chicken fries. Darrell likes these pineapple cups. Also got Hot Pockets. Let me swing around this way. We got some Sunny D. I got a cabbage. We're going to do cabbage and sausage one of these days. I got 2 things of green beans, some milk, 2 red onions, 2 things of ground turkey. This should have been 2 packs of hot dogs, but I have no idea. I don't know. I'm going to check the app in a second. Also got a roast because we're going to have that. I got a broccoli crown. I got some baby carrots. And I got some diced onions. And then I believe I'm just going to put the total on the screen. And this is basically what I got. And I want to say it was like a little under 300. And this don't even look like it, do it? But that's what we got, and that's what we're going to make stretch. I got to like mix and match with my groceries from the previous week. But we can make this work for a little under 300. It's getting just out of hand. But hey, this is what we got to work with. Hey, y'all. Just wanted to come in and let y'all know a few things about this video. It is morning. I want to say like 7:20 in the morning, and it is December 1st now. I want to say after that cruise, I got really sick on the way home. Like all in the airport. I'm putting on pajamas. It's pajama day at work, y'all. I got really sick in the airport. I got sick for a few days. I had to miss work. So it's like a total of 2 weeks without going to work. Yeah, I got really, really sick. It was really bad. And I couldn't record the days after. You could probably tell by how I'm doing my grocery haul when I got home. That's why the video just cuts and goes straight to that. Because I was not feeling my best. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't stand that long. I don't know what it was, but it was like, it was horrible. I didn't go to the doctor or anything. I just stayed at home. But, yeah, I couldn't breathe. I had a problem with, like, trying to get up and do dishes or, like, mop my floors. Anything like that was, like, overexertion for me. But I just don't know what it was. But it took me a while to get over it. Like I said, today is December 1st. the beginning of this week, which was, I want to say the 27th. I did go back to work this week. So, that I was feeling like slowly progressing as the weeks was going by. Are you about to leave? You about to leave? Okay. Love you too, baby. Have a good day at school.
Have a good day at work.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so that made me forget what I was saying. Oh yeah, I did go to work this week. Like I said, it is pajama day today. I do have my other trip coming up in December. I believe that is on the 13th. So I'm going to try and take you guys along with me for that. Hopefully I can get way more footage than I did for this cruise. Because with the cruise, it was kind of hard to get some footage because it was a lot of music. But like we did do stuff like bingo, but that's like in the theater. So it's like a more intimate setting. And I didn't want people to think I was like recording them and then, you know, talking and like, you know, just making people feel awkward. So we didn't do that. I didn't record any of that. And then to be completely honest, I forgot to record like our dinners and stuff. Like they have like a, you know, like a meal time, like dinner time. Everybody get their specific time. You dress up, you go out to eat and stuff like that. Yeah, I didn't record it. I totally forgot. I was more excited for the food and see what they was going to be having that I completely forgot to bring y'all along with me. So I will try and do better for this next trip. It is for a wedding. So depending on how she feels about me recording, you know, her ceremony and all that jazz, I won't be able to do so. So yeah, I just wanted to come in, you know, before I hop in and go to work. I'm trying to do my hair, but it's like a little frizzy. It's like I haven't got it done since, you know, I went to since we went on our trip. So I'm just gonna wait until the next trip to actually do it again. Cause that's just the type of person I am. And funds ain't funded. You know what I mean? Like literally when I told you I was sick, when I came back from work, I could not even like muster up any energy to even like milk the clock at work at all. Like when I tell you I only got like maybe 12 hours on this check, and this normally I get like 80, 84. So it's going to be a rough week. So with me saying that, the next grocery haul will probably be very slim. Very slim. So we just gonna have to make it work, do everything on a prayer, and we'll go from there. But I'm about to brush my teeth, and then I'll just chat back in with y'all in the next video. Thank y'all for watching this one. I am Danny, and I'm glad to have y'all. Like, subscribe, comment if you guys want to. You know the drill. And I'll see y'all in the next one.